Hello guys, I welcome you all in our fresh and exciting video. This video is going to be exciting as we are going to see first our main topic which you have already got an idea about through the thumbnail, that is what are the do's and don'ts while creating a product design sketch or how you can sketch like a product designer. At the end of this video you will understand the concepts and the points to remember while drawing a product. And now the one for what you all were waiting, that is our giveaway which we have already talked about in our previous video. So we'll talk about it in detail in this video end tak dekhna. First we will go through our main topic and then we will talk about the giveaway. So don't skip any portion, you will get to learn a lot of things from this video. Okay, then let's start. Right, yes. We are here to see the do's and don'ts of product design sketching, what we have to consider while sketching and what we don't have to consider while sketching. We will see everything in this video, how we can improve our product design sketching. We have to draw to express or communicate an idea or desired outcome. Now looking forward to the mistakes we do while sketching and which we have to avoid, we'll see. So first I am starting with the don'ts, that those are the things which you have to avoid while sketching a product. The first one is don't draw directly. It means first we have to observe the product, divide it into various forms, structure, and then go step by step. We don't have to draw a product or any sketch directly. We have to go step by step. Now the second one is, which is the most important point which you have to remember while sketching a product or while you are into an industrial design sketching. Don't fix your paper while you are drawing. If you are using a board, then don't attach your paper to it. Keep your paper free to rotate and move. While we fix our paper to the board, then it becomes difficult for us to draw the curves or the circular sections. Then the third one comes, that is, do not make bold lines sketch first. Do not make your sketch dark at first. You have to go with the light lines, start drawing with light lines, light pressure, so that you will be able to go step by step and use those light lines later on to be the outline of a product. And now the most important thing which we all forget while sketching. Don't limit your hand movement and don't use your wrist. It restricts your strokes and it doesn't give a continuous stroke, which shows less confidence. And for a good sketch, your strokes must be confident, bold, and it must catch the sight of the viewer. And then the next one is, don't try to make it perfect. Yes, you heard it right. Don't try to make it perfect. It's okay if it isn't looking the same. You have drawn using your eyesight, your visualization. So it's okay if it isn't coming perfect. Okay, so keep this one in mind. And the last one is so relatable to everyone, almost everyone, and that is, don't polish your strokes again and again with short lines. That is, we don't draw a figure in one go. We draw many lines, many curves to get that one figure. So avoid this and you will see massive improvement in your sketch. You have to avoid this mistake. So these are all the don'ts which we should take care of while sketching. These are all the basics which we have to take care of. Once we avoid all these mistakes which we do, your sketching skills will improve with time. Let's move towards the do's, the things which you have to consider in your sketch. The first thing you need to do is use construction lines to visualize better. In any drawing, whatever you might draw, use construction lines. Using construction lines in your drawing also indicates that you know the basic fundamentals and how we have to draw, how the process is of drawing. So use construction lines, it will help you. Okay, then next one is rotate your paper as per your convenience. Rotate your paper while sketching a product, while you have to draw a curve or a horizontal line. Rotate the paper as per your convenience, how you are comfortable with the position. Just rotate the paper. It will give you smooth curves and smooth lines. Then the second one is always start with light lines. You have to go step by step. You have to start your drawing with light lines and then proceed ahead drawing the bold ones. Your light lines will also be considered as the construction lines. Now the key point you have to remember and keep in your mind, that is, use your whole arm to sketch a product. Don't limit your hand movement. Use your whole arm, which will give you proper curves, circular areas. You will be able to draw circles, ellipse and many more curved figures so easily if you use your whole arm to sketch a product. Also, it will show the confident strokes. Start practicing using your whole arm. With time, it will increase, it will enhance your sketching skills. And then, as I told you, it's okay if your sketch isn't looking perfect. No need to be perfect, but make sure the perspective is correct. In an industrial design sketching or product design sketching, the perspective matters. You have to get the perspective correct. So focus on the perspective. Make sure the perspective is correct. You have drawn the correct perspective. And last but not the least, be confident while giving a stroke. While sketching, be confident. Have no fear of perfection. Just be confident. You will get the proper strokes, your proper object which you have to draw. Trust me, if you are confident while sketching, your sketch will be correct. It won't go wrong. Keep all these things in mind, the do's and don'ts which you have to avoid while sketching and which you have to consider while sketching. Follow all these basics and you will get your sketching skills to be improved. You will observe a great change if you follow all these, not only in product design sketching but also in our normal drawing or illustration. Follow all these points and you will see massive change. These are all points you have to consider. So this was all about the product design sketching, how you can be good at product design sketching, how you can enhance your sketching skills. Still, if you have any doubt or query, you can mention it in the comment box or you can ping me on my Instagram. Link is provided in the description box. So this was all about the product design sketch and how you can get good at sketching a product or how you can sketch like an industrial designer. अगर वीडियो पसंद आ गया हो तो अभी लाइक और शेयर कर दो. Run. I'm waiting for you to come back and know about the giveaway. Okay, go fast. Thank you so much. Now let's talk about the giveaway. As already mentioned in our previous video, there will be two winners. एक होगा लड़का और एक होगी लड़की. First, let me clear you that अगर फर्स्ट विनर लड़का आता है तो हम सेकंड विनर लड़की ही निकालेंगे, या फिर फर्स्ट अगर लड़की आती है तो सेकंड विनर हम लड़का ही निकालेंगे. सो विल गेट टू विनर्स, वन बॉय एंड वन गर्ल. अभी सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन, आपको मिलेगा क्या? विनर्स को क्या मिलेगा? सो आई हैव सिलेक्टेड द टू मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम द सेम कैटेगरी एंड आई नो यू विल लव इट as we all use it in our daily basis. So one is the Boat Rockers 225 wireless Bluetooth headsets, which will be for the first winner. जो हमारा फर्स्ट विनर होगा उसके लिए ये बोट की तरफ से Rockers 255 wireless Bluetooth headsets with CVC noise cancellation, audio technology, 10mm dynamic drivers, magnetic lock, music playback up to 8 hours. So फर्स्ट विनर के लिए रहेगा ये बोट की तरफ से एक वायरलेस हेडसेट. And for second winner, I have selected both Bassets 152. Both Bassets 152 with super extra bass, angled 3.5 mm jack, inline mic for calls, braided tangle-free cable. And the color for this boat Bassets 152 is so mesmerizing. I totally love this color. That is the Maroon Mirage. I hope you all will love this piece. So these are the two giveaway products that the two winners will get. Now the rules you have to follow will be like, first you have to like this video, share as much as possible and comment something, whatever you feel you can comment in the comment section. And next is subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe fast. And the third thing you have to do is follow me on Instagram, that is it's Asim and the Divine Sketches. All of the links will be placed in the description box. The participation link is also placed in the description box. Enter and fill your details and participate in this exciting giveaway. Yes, the winner must follow all the rules and regulations, then only he or she will be considered as the winner. So we'll declare the results when we hit 500 likes on this video. So share as much as possible, like, comment, follow, subscribe, do everything. When we hit 500 likes on this video, we will declare the results. So जल्दी से जल्दी शेयर कर दो and all the best, have fun. और बहुत कुछ आना बाकी है अपने चैनल पे. Subscribe fast, everything is waiting for you. And okay, so आज के वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If yes, do mention your views in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.